Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can backup data using our Google account on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we need to open the settings. In the settings you want to scroll down to find accounts and backup and then go there. And now over here we have backup data. If you want to use your Google account, then you need to press this backup data button that is in the Google Drive category. So if you select it, you'll open this backup page. And now you can scroll down to backup details, and here you can choose, actually you cannot choose apps, but you can choose photos that you want to backup. So if you press backup, then over here you can select photos that you want to back up. And once you're done, you also have messages, you have call history, you have device settings and Google account data. So if you want to keep your Gmail data, your Drive data, calendar, Google TV and contacts, then over here you can make sure that these options are enabled. You can also tap in the top right corner to cancel the synchronization of the data. And finally, we also can backup using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data. So if you want to confirm that, you can tap on this slider over here. However, if you want to perform the backup, then over here you have the backup now button. If you press on it, then you will start backing up your data, and after a short while you should be good to go. Over here you can see the line that will be filling up, so wait a minute, maybe two, in order to back up everything. Of course, the time depends on the amount of data that you need to store. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.